it's Lael with Lael by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my brand new Love My Cat mini book project kit. First we'll take a look at the completed project, then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. I have included a link in the description box down below to the project kit, so that will take you to my website where you can learn more, as well as purchase the project kit. So as always, the Lael by Mail mini book project kits include all of the product that you need to put the project together, along with printed color step-by-step instructions and access to a 3+ hour live video class where I put the project together right along with you step by step. So it makes it really easy to follow along. If for some reason you can't make the live class, you can always watch the recorded version at any time after the class takes place. All right, let's go ahead and dig right in. So I am using the adorable Pet Shop Cat collection from Simple Stories as the base of my project. This is a 6x8 ring album, so that is our project. For the cover, I've made kind of a cute little scene here with some of the foam stickers from the collection, and add some twine, and then a cute little Good Kitty cat tag. I was going to say dog tag, a cat tag. All right, as we jump inside, you have lots of interactive elements and lots of room for photos. So we've got a little pocket over here, room for some journaling here right on the inside. Such a cute collection. I just can't even stand it. Wonderful, vibrant colors, really great illustrations and icons and words, and it just all comes together so well. There's quite a few interactive elements, starting out with this guy. So this is kind of a double, it's kind of two things going on. First of all, this little page lifts up, so you can add photos there. And then this door opens to reveal two 3D pop-up cards. So a great spot for adding your photos on those little pop-ups. So we'll go through that technique on how to make those. Wonderful, wonderful fonts and so forth as you start to work your way through and get a feel for the collection. Just perfect. It was the dog. A little catnip plant there, a little side pocket here to add your photos or memorabilia in the side. Just so cute. Blessed and cat obsessed. And if you are a cat lover, definitely cat obsessed. We're a cat family. So although I always had dogs growing up, we've had cats the whole time that really I've been an adult. So a little peekaboo page there as we continue. Little cats in the cat tree. A little door, combination door here with two cards. This is kind of a fun little interactive element. So you have a little fold out here. You have two little dog ears. Yes, it's cat. I guess we could call those cat ears, but those little pages or corners are dog eared, and you have a fun little self-adhesive brad there. A really fun cat binder clip on the back side of that. You have a waterfall. So a little set of waterfalls there, which gives you tons of room for additional photos. Chipboard dividers that are part of the album itself, a little slash pocket there, room for more photos. Pocket here that's attached to the back side of the pocket page, and another little interactive element right there. Lots of self-adhesive brads that I've used throughout as little page turners. There's another little one right there. And as we start to wind down, cuter than cute little cat faces there. A little interactive element with a little peekaboo. And there you have it. So that is the Love My Cat completed mini book project. Now let's take a look at the contents of the kit. So always starting out with the printed color step-by-step instructions, including cutting diagrams on the back side. You have 3 yards of twine. That's what we use to wrap the cover a couple of times and tie in a fun bow. The cat binder clip that I showed you. We have a package of the decorative brads. These are self-adhesive brads. So 27 self-adhesive brads, meaning they don't have the little prongs on the back that you have to mess with. And then 6 really cute chipboard pieces. That little Good Kitty we're using, that little cat tag we're using on our cover. We have the Pet Shop Cat foam stickers. So there are 47 stickers here. I love the dimension that the foam stickers give. But again, the really great colors, icons that you see throughout the collection. The base of our project here is the 6x8 Robin's Egg snap binder. And in that binder, you have 8 decorative snap pages. Some are Robin's Egg and some are more office oriented, so kind of grid and lined and so forth. You have 10 pocket pages and then 3 of the craft chipboard dividers. And then you have the Pet Shop Cat Collection Kit that has 95 pieces to it. You have 6 double-sided pattern papers. This, I think, is my favorite one of all those cute little cat faces on the teal background. A pretty neutral dot. You have the cat toys, cat icons, cat treats with the fishbone on the back side. Really pretty coral color. You have the cat collars and then kind of a navy tone-on-tone word art on the back side. Different color hearts. And then this is my favorite. I love, love, love that chunky rainbow stripe. And then you have 2 different cut apart papers. These are kind of mixed elements. So you have 3x4s, a vertical, horizontal. You have horizontal 4x6s, 4x4s, 2x2s with the fun yarn ball print on the back side. And then you have a second element, and this is a mixture of your 3x4 cards and your 4x6 with a nice tone-on-tone cat paw print on the back. So that is the collection kit with the 12x12 sticker sheet. So lots and lots of cardstock stickers that we work into the project. Then we have 7 double-sided kind of solids, if you will. You have the tone-on-tone polka dot. The back side is the solid. So you have green, yellow, cream, red, light blue or Robin's Egg, and black. And then to wrap it up, you have a 12x12 white grid paper, which we use primarily for the cover with that wood grain on the back side. So that is the Love My Cat Lael by Mail project kit. As I mentioned, there is a link in the description box of the video down below to purchase. Now, if you are a dog fan, we're also a dog fan, there is also a Love My Dog mini book project kit. So that, and you'll see the video for that here on my YouTube channel as well. And you will also see that on my website at laelbymail.com. If you have any questions about the project kit or anything that you've seen, go ahead and leave a comment and I will be notified and I will respond. Or you can go to my website at laelbymail.com and click contact us. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.